How to convert video to live photo on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device in order to convert the video to live photo. And if you don't have TikTok, then simply go ahead and download the TikTok application. Once you have opened TikTok, tap on the plus icon on the bottom center of your screen and then tap on the photos option you see there. Further, go ahead and choose the video that you want to convert to live photo and then tap on next. Further, tap on next again and then in the everyone can view this post option, tap on it. You will then see the option for only you. Tap on the only you option and then tap on the post option. Once posted, go back and then tap on the lock like icon you see there in order to view your private videos. Now go ahead and tap on the video that you want to convert to live photo and then tap on the three dots you see there. Further, scroll through and you will see the option for live photo. Tap on that and with this, the video will be converted to live photo and saved to your camera roll. So you can then go ahead and open photos and as you can see, the picture has been saved from the video. You can then go ahead and tap on the live drop down you see there and then toggle off the live option you see there if you don't want the picture in live mode. You can then go ahead and repeat the same process for all the videos that you want photo of. So this was about how you can convert video to live photo on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.